is going on, guys? Better Success here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, in this video, I want to first thank everybody who entered in to win in the 1K giveaway video. We're going to show the prize here. We're also going to announce the winner in just a quick sec. This video, I'm also going to talk about what to expect from this channel in 2021 and moving forward. So let's show the prize here, guys. Alrighty, guys, so this is what the giveaway winner is going to be receiving. I'm going to announce the giveaway winner right after I show you guys what they're getting. So basically, we got a hybrid ceramic wax. This stuff works super good. I used to use this on my car. I can't use it anymore because of the plasti dip, but really good, and it works really well. Chemical Guys interior cleaner. You can never have enough interior cleaner. It smells amazing, works great, and gives you a nice shine when you are finished. AutoZone $25 gift card. That's pretty self-explanatory. Microfiber towels. You can never have enough microfiber towels as a car person. And last but not least, due to the times, we've got a Lucas Oil brand hand sanitizer. So let's go upstairs. I'm going to announce the winner, and let's get to talking about what 2021 holds for this channel and for us. Alrighty, guys, so once again, I want to thank everybody who entered in to win the giveaway. Just follow me on Instagram, comment on the video. I really appreciate it, guys. You know, the 1,000 subscriber mark, it really means a lot to me. And, you know, it makes me happy as to what 2020 brought. You know, obviously 2020 has brought a lot of bad things for people, whether it was unemployment or loss of loved ones or, you know, whatever it may have been that was personal to you. It's brought a lot of bad, but it also has brought good. You know, I don't want anyone to sit and dwell on the bad things that 2020 has brought. I want you guys to look forward to 2021, and you know, this will be the last time you guys see me in 2020. And once again, I just want to thank you guys for everything that you guys have done. You know, obviously I'm not a huge YouTube channel, but the fact that there's 1,000 people out there that care about what I do and what I have to say, it really means a lot to me, and it's something that I really hold, you know, close to my heart. So we just want to thank you guys. And with all that being said, you know, we did do a giveaway, and I think it's time that we introduce the winner of the giveaway. Alrighty, guys, so the winner of the 1K giveaway video is Chelsea. Chelsea has a super sweet Grabber Blue Mustang, and I'm kind of jealous because I really like Grabber Blue, but you know, I got my blue car, so it kind of works out. But Chelsea's the winner, guys. I'm going to leave a link to her social medias down below if you guys want to give her a follow. Go check out her page, whatever. Thank you so much, Chelsea, for entering in to the giveaway. I will have your stuff shipped out very soon here. When you guys are seeing this video, today is the 30th of December, and this is the last time that you guys will see me in 2020. So my next point I want to make, guys, is this is going to be a little bit of an update. I'm just going to come right out and say it. I don't know if I want to keep the EcoBoost Mustang. It's actually listed for sale in a couple different Facebook groups and on eBay and also on Car Gurus. So my biggest reason for doing that is on the channel, if you guys go back and look, I have already done a lot of the stuff that you can do, simple bolt-on stuff with the channel. We have drag raced the car. We have done the plasti dipping on the car. We have done street races. We have done stuff on the channel that was a while ago when I had a smaller following that not a lot of people saw, and I really don't want to upload it again. I don't want to re-upload it and show you guys content that some of you may have already seen. And my next biggest thing is the money aspect of a GT Mustang, which is what I do want to get, versus an EcoBoost Mustang. You know, when you sit down and think about it, yes, obviously the GT Mustang is more money up front, but in my opinion, the ceiling is a lot higher on a GT Mustang. The EcoBoost Mustang, do not get me wrong, is a great platform, and there's plenty of guys out there that are making reliable 700 horsepower on a built block. And I know that the EcoBoost has its problems. I know the GT has its problems. But for me, a couple bolt-ons, E85, and you're looking at 500 horsepower on a GT Mustang nowadays. And for me to obtain E85 on a GT or for me to obtain 500 horsepower on an EcoBoost Mustang, it's gonna take a good amount of money to get to that point. And I don't know if that's what I want to do. You know, I love my car. I love that it's plasti dipped. I love that I've built a channel on the EcoBoost Mustang itself, but I think what's best for this channel and for me to grow is to get a GT Mustang. You know, the problem with the EcoBoost Mustang from a content standpoint and from a YouTube standpoint is it's kind of the underdog. And, you know, to other people, the EcoBoost Mustang isn't even an American sports car. You know, people don't even consider that a sports car. It is, you know, a entry-level grandmother's rental car. You know, that's what the EcoBoost Mustang is. It is Ford's entry-level economy Mustang. And, you know, I can make horsepower from it. I can do content with it. I can make videos with it. But at the end of the day, I don't want it. And, you know, it's just what I'm feeling. It's just what I'm feeling. And there's nothing I can do about my feelings. I don't want to keep the car, and I want to get a GT Mustang. I mean, I have been talking about doing that for probably well over a year now. And this video itself has weighed so heavy on my heart as to whether I wanted to tell you guys or not, because, you know, this whole channel has been built on the EcoBoost Mustang and everything that comes with it. And I feel like a lot of the people that are here are watching it because it's an EcoBoost and not because it's a GT. But, you know, at the end of the day, in order to grow and get to the goals that I have and to where I want to be, I think the best thing for this channel is to get a GT Mustang. Start fresh with a clean slate and do everything that I did on this car and better on the GT. So with that being said, I am going to be dropping some merchandise because I don't foresee me doing anything crazy like selling the car anytime soon. Maybe within 6 months or so, but that's even still a very rough estimate. And who knows? It may sell tomorrow, or it may sell 2 years from now. I don't know. So I do have 2 new logos that are coming out, guys. You will see those in some of my videos, and you'll see those on my Instagram. I'm going to start really slow with the merchandise. I'm not going to commit to anything crazy just yet. You know, basically what's going to happen is if you guys want some merchandise, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll get all the payment and shipping information, and then we'll go from there. Because I'm not going to make a bunch of shirts if nobody wants them. So I know I got a couple family members that said they want some, and obviously I'm going to get a couple so I can wear them in my videos and show you guys what they look like. But I'm waiting to get a quote on some shirts from a couple different people. You know, it's the holidays, so I'm not expecting anything too crazy. But for 2021, we will have some merchandise if that's something that interests you guys. Again, it would help me out, and it would also push me closer to that goal of getting the GT Mustang to, again, help this channel grow. But I want you guys to have an amazing 2021. I hope 2020 is now in the books. It has been a rough year for a lot of people, and it has been a good year for, you know, some people as well. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for entering into the 1K giveaway. Chelsea, I will have your stuff out to you within a week's time or so, so be on the lookout for that. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure you smash the thumbs up. Subscribe if you really enjoyed this video, guys. And with that being said, happy 2021. And as always, guys, peace out.